All right, I think I'm live. Yep, I'm live. One thing I learned from the last thing, I need to make my window much smaller, which I will. And I kind of need to talk into the mic, otherwise the mic's just shit. It's inaudible. All right, so continuing from last time, I showed you how to make the APK and upload it to the Play Store, right? The thing in that, it was a bit tricky to change the icons and splash screen and the names. And yeah, so what I've done, I've grown a mustache, and because of this is the only reason. I figured out how to do it, and I will show it to you. So quick walkthrough. Um, Alright, vocab buddy. This is exactly where we left off last time. Oh fuck, I need to make this smaller. Okay. Alright. Alright. Vocab buddy. So yeah, what you're gonna need to do, open. Alright, from the start, you have nothing. Follow my last video, install Capacitor, run build, create a build, okay? npm run build. Let it build. If you'll change anything in your source code, build it again and follow the next two commands. Alright, it's done building. This command, npx cap copy, npx cap sync. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Because I changed the Android folder, it does not recognize I have an Android. So what was the command? Give me a second. Alright, so if you're starting off fresh, npx cap add Android. Alright, so Capacitor is gonna create an Android folder with the created files, build everything. Then if you change it, run the build again, npx cap copy, npx cap sync. So now since it's just created Android, let's go ahead and open Android. So I'm gonna open Android here. It's gonna open it Android Studio. Follow my last video to know exactly which versions I'm on. I'm not gonna show that again. This is a quick walkthrough just to show you how to change the icons and splash screen. REACTJS, Capacitor, build it, make it an APK, upload it to the Play Store, basically. Alright, first time opening it, let it load. Let me just delete these. Alright, so what do you want to do? Just keep a logo ready for your app, whatever you want to do. Why is it not opening? Alright. So this is a basic logo I've made. I didn't make it. I asked Edge to make it. How did Edge make it? DALL-E. Go use it. This is the logo with all the borders, okay? Android is still loading. So maybe fast forward 5 seconds. Alright, it's done. Alright, it's done. Something is still happening. Alright, I think it's done. Okay, so what you wanna go do is this. Alright, firstly the app name, when I launched it, it was as. It still came like vocab dash buddy. Okay, go inside app, go inside res, go inside values, open strings. This is where you change the name, yeah? If I think somehow Android just saved the settings. It was vocab dash buddy. Change it to whatever you want to save. This is what the app saves it as. Alright, app name, app title, sorry. Let me just do a control vocab dash buddy. So this sets the app name, like the proper app name. What you do next is, give me a second. I don't remember the exact fucking code I made in something else. Oh yeah, alright. The next thing, change the icon. So if I just build this and I've connected my Android phone, if you don't have an Android phone, use an emulator. How to use an emulator? Just click on this. You can download an emulator. Device manager right here. Add a device. Create a virtual device. Create your virtual device. Run it on your laptop itself if you don't have a different phone. If you have an Android like I do, connect the USB. Select file transfer and run it basically. Okay, the build is still running. Initial startup, so I guess it'll take some time. So I want to show you this, what it is bare bones, and with the default capacitor splash screen slash icons, and just app icon. And then after you change it, what it will look like. So let this finish. And remember, when Gradle builds are running, just chill out, hands off. Have patience. Alright, build done. It should start up on this phone. Launching on devices. If you get a pop-up like this, select remember my choice and install. It's gonna ask you, do you want to allow it to install basically? And see, this is the 1 second. Just shutting. 1 second. So I just shut the app. On the bottom you can see the app. Vocab buddy. My fucking camera is fucked. Okay, so it has the capacitor icon. I don't know if you can see this. So if I open this, it's the default capacitor splash screen. I think you saw it for a second. Hold on. Yeah. What is going on? You see it? You see it? It's a capacitor thing. So you don't want that. You want your app's icon here, right? So follow me. And I'm going to follow what I did in another project. So give me a second. Open Android 1. Alright, so what you want. Alright, very simple. What do you want to do? Go to res, minimap. This is, if you go see this, this is what the app icon is currently. It's what, if you did not hear me, this is what the current app icon is, right? So you're not going to sit down and replace every folder. Go over here, res, new, image asset. Alright, click on this. Let it load. Let it load. Okay, what this currently, it's going to ask you what icon you want to set. So just select the icon. I have it on my desktop. I believe I want to set it as this logo. You can set it as anything you want. Maybe erase the background like I did for this one. I'll tell you why I don't do that. I'll show you why. Logo with the erase background. You can resize it. Trim yes, no. You can choose whatever you want. Trim yes. You can trim it accordingly. Now the thing is, if you go to the background layer, if you set it as this is all the logo will be. If it's going to be on a phone, this is all the logo will be. This will be transparent. If you set it as a color, hold on, I think it might be an image. No, if you set it as a color, it'll become a solid color. And you can set it as white, red. You can do what you want. I personally would like it to be full. Like full with the same color. So, oh my god. It's loading. So I'm going to just select it as the logo. Now if you see, background layer nothing, and I'm gonna resize it, no, yes, make it big. Alright, looks good everywhere. Full bleed layers, I have no idea what this is. But I'm gonna select a color and select the color of my background. I've already done this, that's why it's here. If you don't have it, take this image, go in Google Chrome. There are many color picker websites, upload the image, find the exact color of the background. So that just merges. And do next. Leave this default, click finish. So what this is going to do is, hold on, is make a new mini map for you with your new icons. Hold on. It's still doing it, I guess. Let me refresh. Yeah, see, there you go. These are your new icons. Perfect. Thank you, Android Studio. Now the next thing, the splash screen, right? That is the main thing. You don't want people opening your app and seeing another icon. You want them to see your icon. So what you want to do, styles. Now, do not ask me what it does. I have no idea. I asked a good friend of mine. He recommended doing this, and I tried doing this, and it worked. Change this, delete this, and put this in. So from what I understand is no action bar launch means open it entirely. You're opening up a splash screen. The splash screen background is going to be a color primary background. You can change this. If you don't want a color primary, you want it to merge with this color. So what you can do is, I do not remember the color. Just give me a second. Online image upload. Or the spacebar. Spacebar's good. I have this extension. It's called Colorzilla. I love it. It's pretty good. So I'm going to just upload this image. Open Colorzilla. Click on it. Hover over this. Got the exact RGB. Done. Your work is over. Thank you. Done. And could just delete this. Name it as, I believe, colors. Splash. And set the hex code. Yeah. This is the hex code. So yeah, save the color, go back, color splash. Now, the next one, Windows splash screen animated icon. You're gonna set an icon here, yeah. So before, what it does was it used to just, let me go with Control Z. Just take the entire drawable splash. So this splash has many of these capacitor icons, which I tried showing you on my phone. You don't want any of these. Just delete this. So basically what I showed you, paste this in, or if you cannot paste it, type it out. Let me zoom in. I do not know how to zoom in. Android Studio doesn't want me to zoom in. So paste this in. This splash, you don't need it anymore. Delete. Now just save your logo inside drawable. Yep. I'm just gonna take this, put it inside drawable. Refactor, it's here. So if you see, it redirects to this. Yeah, perfect. Windows splash screen animated duration. I said as 2002 seconds basically. 2000 milliseconds, which is 2 seconds. Post splash screen theme, app theme. Alright, so build it. And yeah, basically that's about it. The icon's done, splash screen's done, app's name is done. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? My video is on.
Yeah. Sleeping.
Alright, go to sleep. Good night. Alright, I clicked on run. It's going to run on my phone. Give me a second. Let me show you my phone. Okay, so reinstall it. You can see the new icon, vocab buddy, and if I'm going to click on it, it's going to show you the logo for about 2 seconds and get in. Now the logo, it's a bit too big. Yeah, if you see it, hold on. It's a bit too big, so let me see if I can do something. Let me make this 4 seconds. I like seeing the logo for a while more. Actually, you know what? Open an Explorer. Let's edit it. Let's make it 1000 by 1000. Alright. Now let's see if this makes it any better. Oh yeah, much better, much better, much better. Look at this. Look at this. You see it? That's my logo. There's your app. And I'm going to quickly release the update to the app store. If you want to see that, just follow me. One second. Get this shit out. Alright. Build, like I showed you last time. Build, generate sign bundle APK, Android app bundle. For release, I'm going to choose my existing release. I had it in CD, desktop coding, 2023. I think it was this. Yeah, it's this. Key alias. Cannot show that. I think I can actually. Doesn't matter. You don't know the password, so you can't do shit. Huh. Next. Release. Create. I can disconnect my phone. I don't need my phone anymore. Alright, app bundle done. Locate it. It's gonna be here. Oh, no. Before that. In your app, right? Go to Gradle scripts. Open build.gradle for module app. Change the version. And yeah, basically change the version. Because you're sending out an update. Play Store needs to know that you've updated your version. So I believe version code. Actually, what's the difference? Version name and version code. Let's check. Play Store. Version name is displayed to the user. Okay, so 1.1 basically, and version code is what the Play Store sees. So yeah, this is about it. So save the file. Build, generate sign bundle APK. Next, create. Should take about 1 second. Actually not, fuck it. This is what I showed to you last time. Like it was in review, now it's in production. I changed the name also, so vocab buddy no ads. So people see that. Okay. Build is done, located, release. This is your play console, right? So what do you want to go? What do you want to do? Let's go to App Bundle Explorer. Upload a new version. Let me just shut Android Studio. Drag this AAB, drag it here. Let it upload. I know they don't sound the way I planned them to be. If I had to. Alright, done. Version 2, version 1.1. This audio set, remember? And now you want to go to production. Production, create a new release. It's going to ask you to choose your app bundle. Add from library. Version 2. Add to release. Release name to 1.1. I'll let this be as it is. Release notes. Actually, I like copying from a previous release. And then down adding what you've changed. So I fixed the icon splash screen name. Plus I fixed a bug on the side. Plus and improvements. Alright. By the way, if you want to see my code, it's on my GitHub. So go to my GitHub. Vocab buddy, github.com/farhanirani/vocab buddy. If you see any words you can change or see anything you want to improve, send a PR. So yeah, back to here. Release notes. Set your release notes. Next. Till it loads. Why is it taking so long? One warning. There's no this thing. You saw this last time. Ignore it. Ignore it. Go down, go down, go down. Save. Yeah. Vocab buddy is loaded. This is the website vocab.-buddy.vocel.app. And on the App Store, I'll show you the link. Hold on. And yeah, so you go here, publishing overview, send one change for review. That's it. Done. Sorted. And if check this option on, turn on manage publishing. If you turn it on, and once Google approves it, you choose when you release it. Right now it's off. So the second they approve it, it'll get released, the update. And yeah, so if I go see this, view app, you on Google Play, this is the app you want to download. Vocab buddy, no ads. Alright, have a good one. So yeah, video over. I hope at least one another person in the entire world gets something out of this. If that happens, leave a comment, and I know that I've done well. My job's done. So yeah, if you've seen till now, do leave a comment, man. Thanks. Alright, bye bye. How do I stop this?